Okay. Good day, everybody. I'm here to load a big fridge into this van. The first thing to do is this is the van, minivan, to load a fridge into it. This is the fridge. See how big the fridge is. It could be a smaller one, it could be the single fridge. Is the same tactics. First thing you need to know is this. The body of the fridge slides. So you want to load the
battery
fridge.
low.
Sorry?
Battery low.
Yeah, it's okay. So we have to do it quickly because the battery is low. Is still recording? Okay. So we want to load it into the minivan. I'm going to do it very fast because the battery of my phone is low now. The first thing you get is something that can slide like a rug like this. It could even be a small rug, just something that will slide here. It could be a rug from the foot mat. A rug foot mat from the vehicle is enough. But I just have this long rod. I'm going to use this long one. So the first thing you do, get the rug and put it across like this. That body of the fridge is going to slide on it. One person is enough to load the fridge. One person is enough. Watch me now. The first thing, you get the fridge closed and you turn the body, the side of the fridge to the minivan. Then you push it and fall it into the van. Like this. See? Very simple. Oh, I forgot there's something inside that we need to take out. Okay. So it's like this. You fall into the van. Then you wiggle it down a little bit.
Ṣé ilá yẹn ò ní dànù? Ó dàbí pé
Guys, it's probably safe. How much you want? No, safe is enough. So it's this way. Then one person is enough. So you just lift it. You need a little strength. Lift and push into the truck. It's going to slide because of the rug. Watch me now. And you see how it slides? So you just need to lift it up. Yeah, like that. Like that. Slide, slide, slide until you get it in. There's something inside the van, so it doesn't have enough space. So just like that. It's loaded. See? Just like a minute. It's done. Then you close it. But we have more other things to load into the van. So I'm just going to push it to the side so we have more space. So that's enough. So you can off.